Here we can see there's no teacher, but the child studies with the support of technology. You can see there's a mobile phone on the table. Do you mean that that is the technology? No. This is also a technology. The child captures some points from the textbook. He doesn't carry a bag full of books. He scrolls up and down, finds points like a detective, and he fills this particular document. This is called logical equivalency. This is the technology. She has asked ChatGPT to make a note, and she has also asked ChatGPT to make questions. Before that, she had prepared questions with this methodology. She has done this logical inquiry process. She's gonna cross check with artificial intelligence what she has done is correct or has she deviated. So people think technology is the computer or any other software. No, the technology is the child uses to study. When we began 9A's workshop, teacher should change, the study methods also should change. That has already happened. A traditional classroom where the teacher teaches, students quietly listen, that is history. These two children, Joel is in grade 7 and Nishan is in grade 11. Brother and the sister. In fact, they don't have the time to go to social media and check WhatsApp status and YouTube stories. Even if they won't, they don't have the time. They are busy with studies. Nishan is also doing the methodology I told you, logical inquiry process. She's handling maths. Joel is also doing maths. They say that artificial intelligence helps them a lot in making questions and making notes. Whenever they get stuck, they ask the AI to make it simple and simpler. Working with artificial intelligence is easier than ever. This is the 9A's workshop. You might think I'm a teacher. No, I'm not a teacher. I'm a study coach. This is the latest trend in education. They don't need any more teachers, but they need support from a study coach. She's doing 8 to 10 subjects. He's doing about 12 subjects. No teaching. Learning is now easy. Inside the skull, you can find super machines. Why are we feeding them with so much of information where the information is right available there? Get them work on it. They will make wonders. In other words, without doing it, we can teach them. Here, look at me. Write this, do that, do this. Surely, Sri Lanka will not win the Nobel Prize for the next 100 years if we do not change the education system.